Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be an update on Cambria Cat. So let's get down to it. So the last update that we dropped was where this line is, which is March 20th. Market didn't really go as planned. We thought that this was going to start running immediately on the 20th, but they started to run on the 31st, really the 1st of April is when they started to run. So they consolidated a bit in this area here, and after right here in this area between the 0.009 area and the what is this, the 0.005 area, they started consolidating a bit inside of this area before they finally broke out to the upside. They faked a breakout and then they came back into this little bit of consolidation zone. We do feel that this pullback is just a pullback. It's not going to continue uh, bearish. We do feel that this is still a bullish run. And the reason why we say that is if we look at this right here is a consolidation zone, meaning they just accumulated, they went back and forth, didn't really break out. They faked the breakout, and then from there they dipped back into it. And if we want to look from this zone over here that was created on the left hand side back in January of 2019, if we look at this zone here before this drop in price, then we'll see here that price did create a bit of a what's called a gap in the market. So ideally, they want to come and fill this space here. Is exactly what they're starting to do. So market comes and fills between one point to another. There's a gap in between this area at the moment. Actually, right in here, there's a gap here. So I do feel that there's still a lot of space up here for the markets to move. They're just trapping at the moment. Once they flip off of this zone here, then ideally they should continue to the upside and then paint out that inverted head and shoulder that we were expecting over here to paint out. So if we want to extend this inverted head and shoulder, let me actually grab it here and redraw this now that this formation is actually starting to draw out, or paint out, I should say. We do have an inverted starting to paint out in here. So we should see how this will move overall. We do still feel that it is going to be a bullish move. We do feel that this is going to continue to the upside. So overall, if it does continue running, then they should come in between this little area up here, the 375, maybe even this 4 area to take out these previous stops that were placed back in 2018. So if they do come up here, then it'll be good. And then as far as a long position for this year, then maybe even this 5 cent area. And once they start to play inside of these zones, then they'll start to create new consolidation areas. And for those that trade support and resistance, they will start to create new areas of support and new areas of resistance. Or if you trade uh, zone flips, then they'll start to create new zone flip areas. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, again, we do feel very bullish on these markets, regardless of this pullback that's happening at the moment. Um, Throughout the market, some coins are popping, some aren't. So we'll see. Overall, we do feel that these markets again will continue to run. So guys, if you have any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. More than happy to get that done for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share with a friend, comment, and if you found this information useful, again, when you do turn on your or when you do subscribe, click the bell to turn on your notifications. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.